don't know if you can hear him, but he's making fun. Listen. I just want to clean my ass. In private. But I never really laugh. Stop being biting camera.
Are we gonna be miming songs today?
Probably. Louis. Ignoramus. Ignoramus. Long tail. No. My nan trapped his tail in the door. Now it's alright. What? 3 inches? Listen.
Where are you putting this on YouTube?
It's hilarious when he does it. Why are you taking the mick out of a cat? Oh God! It's a good job I'm still recording. He's got. Oh God! Like what? What am I doing? I got one weird cat. Look, make some noises then. Why would you lick your leg? And bite. What is that? Oh God. Oh. Daft cat. What's his name? Oh my God, it is like goodbye.